What's up, Nalo? Alright, so in my last video I was trimming up this clusia, and now what I'm doing here is I'm going to be putting this hedge of Dwarf Ixoras, which are these right here. And then what I'm going to do is these blocks right here, I'm going to line them up right here on the bottom, just like how it is in the back. This is my property line, the back side. So I already did some measurements, and I know that I'm going to have to cut one of these in half so that when I get over here to the end, I finish on a straight line. I also have to cut the last one so that it has a straight line as well. So I got my masonry cutting disc on my angle grinder, and make sure you're also wearing your eye protection. Alright, so I put my cut piece right here, and these are like interlocking, so this one will just go like that, and now I just got to continue the rest all the way through. I also have to dig them a little bit, put them a little lower than the grass, because what I plan to do is using this as a, I guess they call it a mowing strip, that the wheel of the mower just runs on this surface, and the grass, easy to cut edges when you have like landscape blocks. So I'm gonna run them all the way down to the sidewalk, and then when I get to the last spot, I also have to cut it so that it ends on a straight edge on the sidewalk. Oh, it looks like I made it right before the storm comes in. Look at that. Full sunshine right there. Alright, so I finished the blocks. And I got them all into the ground. Yeah, so all I got left to do is just to mulch this up, and that will complete this little project. Alright, so I'm preparing this area for mulch, and what I'm currently doing is I'm creating like a little channel right here behind the blocks, and I'm doing this because since the blocks are kind of like the same level as the dirt, if I put mulch while doing this, the mulch can maybe come out very easily. So with this little channel that I'm creating here, I'm going to fill this up with mulch, and at least this area here will be held by the blocks, and the mulch won't come out as easily. Alright, so I made a groove in the dirt on both sides, and also right here on the front where the sidewalk is, so the mulch will be right up against it, and yeah, this is going to turn out good. Alright, so my work here is done. I like how this all came out. Looks very clean. So once these plants mature, they'll be able to match the same height as these bushes right here. And I'll just keep trimming them so that they stay this height, and then they'll match up to all this. And it'll look very nice, all full of flowers. I still got this area to do here. I'm gonna rip out all these tea plants, and I'm gonna replace it with the copper leaves over there, the red Louisiana copper leaves. I got a few of them, and I'm just gonna center them somewhere around here. And then I got these other quarter-line tea plants. These are called anti-loose, and at the nursery they were kept in full sun, and they look very good. It looks like they could take the full sun, whereas these here, they get all nasty. So yeah, I'm gonna rip these out, and I'm gonna put these on, put one on this side, and then the copper leaves will be in the center, and then the other side will have the other anti-loop. So I got two of these here in the pot, and let's see how that comes out. That'll be a future video I'm gonna do. If you got to this point, just want to say thank you for watching my video, and I still got plenty of content to release. I still gotta do this section over here, and plenty on the other side of the house and in the backyard, which I'll get to that once I'm done with all this. And I'm just trying to take care of one section at a time. I just don't want to get all over the place and be back and forth. So I just want to concentrate here first, get this part done, and then I'm going to redo the section over there, which I won't show yet, but you have to stay tuned in so you can check that out. So yeah, just please like, comment, and subscribe, and that would help me out with the algorithm. I just started out, so I'm trying to get as many views, likes, and comments as I can and show my work.